Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in this video, we're going to be making this recipe without wasting time. Let us start. So my first ingredient is this warm liquid milk. If you don't have it, you can mix warm water with your powdered milk. Add 1 tablespoon and a half teaspoon of yeast. This is the flavor I'm going to be using, banana flavor, but feel free to use any type of flavor that you have. You can use vanilla, you can use nutmeg if you have it, any type is fine, okay? Then break in 2 pieces of egg inside. And then add in your sugar. I'm using 1/4 cup, salt, half teaspoon, and then go ahead and mix it thoroughly. So setting this aside, next ingredient is this flour, all-purpose flour. Inside I'm going to add this butter. Make sure the butter you're using is not cold but at a room temperature, okay? So mix it the way I'm doing and make sure that the 2 ingredients are well combined together. So create space like this, and you're going to carry your liquid mixture and add it inside gradually. You add, you mix, you add, you mix till the liquid mixture is exhausted, okay? If this is your first time watching my video, I just want to say you are welcome to my channel. It's good to have you. Please do not forget to support me by hitting that subscribe button, like the video, and also turn on your notification bell so you'll always be the first to be notified whenever I post new recipe, okay? So this is my last set. So I'm going to keep mixing it till everything is well combined. When you're done, you're going to get a little flour, sprinkle it on a working board or surface, place the dough, and then you're going to keep kneading this till your dough becomes soft and fluffy. Or for time frame, you can knead it for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes at least, okay? So I added half teaspoon of vegetable oil, and then I'm just going to use that and fold it into round shape. Just do the way I'm doing in the video, okay? Keep watching closely. So when you're done, this is how the consistency should look like. Lubricate your bowl with vegetable oil again, and then you're going to place the dough back inside. So when I'm done, or you're done, you're going to get 4 pepper. I'm using 4 pepper to cover it, but you can feel free to use any clean kitchen towel you have, but just make sure it's covered anyway, all right? And then I'm going to leave it for 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, for it to rise. This is after 1 hour. You're going to uncover everything, and then I'm going to punch out the air. I love doing this, it's so fun. So I'm just going to make adjustments like this, and then sprinkle flour again on your working board or surface, and then place back the dough. Now I'm going to use knife and cut the dough into 2 pieces. I'm going to keep this one aside, and I'm going to roll out this one using this rolling pin, okay? Make sure you don't roll it out too thin and not too thick either. Hope you understand, yeah? So keep watching closely and see how. So I'm going to use this cutter. I got it in the market. Go to any local market that have a baking store and ask for it, and it will be given to you. So this is what you're going to get. Just place it and put it on a tray like that. You can finish cutting out the shape before removing them, or you can just do the way I'm doing. So when you're done, you're going to fold this shapeless one and then you're going to roll it out one more time and cut it out again using the cutter. But if you don't want to use this method, stay with me. I'm going to show you another method you can use to cut out your donut shape, okay? Very easy and very fast. Using this dough we set aside, I'm going to show you the method, okay? So sprinkle a little flour just to reduce the stickiness of the dough, and then place it back. Then I'm going to fold it nicely, just fold it the way I'm doing in the video, and I'm going to use knife and cut into number of pieces that you want. And when you're done, you're going to take each piece and fold it into round shape using your palm, okay? It should be this smooth, okay? Then to the next one, make sure you rub a little flour in your palm and then go ahead and knead it nicely into round shape. And so you're going to do the same process to the remaining pieces. So when you're done, you're going to place all the pieces on a tray nicely like this, and then you're going to leave it again for 30 minutes for it to rise. After 30 minutes, you're going to get your frying pan, deep fryer, and go ahead and add in your vegetable oil, cooking oil, groundnut oil, anyone is fine, okay? And then you're going to leave it to heat up for a few minutes. I normally use this piece of dough, tiny piece of dough, put inside to help me know the temperature of the oil. And then when it's bubbling like that, just go ahead and add it inside. Add your donuts inside and leave it to fry. Make sure you're frying it on a medium heat, not on a low heat. Medium heat, please. And I like to cook gently or fry gently. If it's on a low heat, it might end up sucking the oil, and you will, at the end of the day, you will not enjoy it. And also the fire should not be too high, if not your inside will not be cooked or fried, and then outside will just be shining anyhow and you will not end up enjoying it. So like I said, make sure it's on a medium heat, okay? And so when the donut is well fried, it's golden brown just the way it is in the video, we are just going to pack it out. If you haven't liked the video, what are you waiting for? Please like the video and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment, okay? So let me show you how you can fry the second method one. So you're just going to create space in the middle like this, cut it out from the middle and create space just the way I'm doing the video, okay? And you're going to place it inside the oil. Make sure when you're creating the space should be wide enough, because it's going to come together when it's frying. Hope you understand. Yeah, I think you do. So you're going to keep frying it. Just follow the first method. Make sure you flip over and then go ahead and fry the remaining one like that. It's easy to make, isn't it, guys? Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so to subscribe. Your support means a lot to me. And don't forget to share it to your friends and family so they can also benefit from this amazing recipe. Before I go, let me show you how inside looks like. The inside was well fried and it tasted so good, guys. You can have it with any drink of your choice, even as breakfast too. Thank you again for watching till the end. Don't forget to take care of yourselves. I will see you in my next video. Bye.